Jai Shri Mataji. Namaskar. Good morning to all you brothers and sisters attending Sahaj Yoga meditation session. What a fantastic journey. Most of you have received your self realization on 3rd January, the first Sunday of New Year 2021. Almost 1 month is over by now. And we are sure that all of you are enjoying Sahaj Yoga meditation by practicing morning and evening minimum for 10 to 15 minutes. Foot soaking is must. The way we clean our all mechanical equipments in our house, we keep our cars clean, we keep our houses clean. Inside cleaning of any human body, foot soaking is the best technique. So how was your experience over the whole week? Amazing? Great. So today we'll be now trying to get more deeper knowledge about our every channel and sequentially about our energy centers and learning more techniques of improving our meditation. The today's session, after the first collective meditation, we will be learning about our left parasympathetic nervous system, that is Ida Nadi. What are the qualities? What are the issues? And how to make more balance in our left channel. So let's start with collective meditation. Thank you. Jai Shri Mataji.
Jai Shri Mataji. We welcome everyone in this Learning Sahaj Yoga session where we are going to learn about our Ida Nadi or our left channel. Let us begin this session by starting with meditation so that we can put ourselves in a state of balance. So let us all raise our kundalinis and put ourselves in bandhan. Let us close our eyes and focus our attention on both the palms and top of the head. Let us now put our right hand towards the Mother Earth and let us pray so that we can cleanse our left channel. Let us pray with all sincerity and from the bottom of our heart. Shri Mataji, by your grace and blessings, let my left channel be cleansed. Shri Mataji, by your grace and blessings, let all the negativities of my left channel be sucked in by the Mother Earth. Let's bring our right hand on the lap and let us raise our left hand towards the sky or the ether element, and let us pray here so that we can cleanse our right channel. Shri Mataji, by your grace and blessings, let my right channel be completely cleansed. Shri Mataji, by your grace and blessings, let all the negativities of my right channel be sucked into the ether element. Let us bring back our left hand on the lap. Let us now focus our attention on the central channel, the Sushumna Nadi. Shri Mataji, by your grace and blessings, let my central channel be completely cleansed. Let me experience the state of balance. Let's focus our attention on both the palms and on top of the head. Let's try to feel if we experience cool breeze on both the palm and on top of the head. Let us now place our right hand on our heart. Let us pray here for the awakening of the spirit within us. Shri Mataji, by your grace and blessings, I am the pure spirit. Shri Mataji, by your grace and blessings, I am the pure spirit. Shri Mataji, by your grace and blessings, I am the pure spirit. Shri Mataji, please fill my heart with love and compassion for everyone. Let us place our right hand on our forehead. Let us bend forward slightly. And let us forgive everyone here. Shri Mataji, I forgive everyone from the bottom of my heart. I do not have any ill feelings towards anyone. Shri Mataji, from the bottom of my heart, I forgive everyone, including myself. I do not have any ill feelings towards anyone. Let us place our right palm on our Sahasrara. Let us stretch the palm fully and place the center of the palm on the Sahasrara, on the limbic area, which is the center of the top of the head. Let us press and rotate it 7 times in clockwise direction. And let us pray here. Shri Mataji, please give me my self-realization. Shri Mataji, please establish me in my self-realization. Shri Mataji, by your grace and blessings, let my self-realization become total and complete. Let us bring our right hand on the lap with eyes closed, attention focused on both the palms and top of the head. Let us meditate for some time. If there are any thoughts entering our mind, let's just say to ourselves, not this. Let us not follow any thought. Let us clip it, cut it then and there. Let us raise our right hand on top of the head, above the Sahasrara, few inches above the Sahasrara. Let us move it slowly up and down and try to feel if there is any cool or warm breeze coming onto our palm. Let's pay close attention. This feeling can be extremely subtle or minute. With practice, it will increase. Very slowly, let's bring the palm down towards the Sahasrara without touching the scalp. Let us raise it again ever so slowly. Is there any cool breeze or warm breeze coming onto our right palm? Let's make a mental note of this feeling, this experience. Let us bring down our right hand and let's repeat this same action with our left hand. Without touching the scalp, Let us raise it slowly, few inches above. And try to feel if there is any cool breeze or warm breeze coming onto our left palm. Let us bring down our left hand. Let us bring together both our hands in obeisance to Sri Mataji. Let us thank Sri Mataji for having given us the experience of self realization and for having blessed us with a state of balance. Jai Shri Mataji. Today we are going to learn about our left channel, which is also referred to as our Ida Nadi or the Ida channel. If we look at the chart of our subtle system, the left channel is denoted in blue color, which runs from the Muladhara chakra all the way to the top, crossing at the Agya chakra and then on to Sahasrara. So this is our left channel, also referred to as Ida Nadi or the left sympathetic nervous system. This is the channel that gives us our emotions, the capacity to love everyone, the capacity to have compassion and understanding for everyone, the capacity to be sensitive towards everyone comes to us from this channel. Shri Mataji has referred to this channel as the power of our existence. Also, the sound sleep that we get is a blessing of this channel. This channel is also referred to as the moon channel. The left channel is also the one that describes or that depicts our desires and our emotions. All our past, all the experiences of the past are stored in our left channel. Let us now briefly understand the reasons for imbalances of the left channel. Now, because the left channel denotes all the experiences from our past, it is the channel of our desires, of our emotions. If we dwell and indulge too much in our past, if we indulge too much on our emotional side, that can lead to imbalance of the left channel. Once we get into an imbalanced state as far as our left channel is concerned, the changes start manifesting themselves in our personality and in our behavior. A person who is left sided, as it is referred to, for a person who has imbalance of the left side, is frequently aloof. He or she likes to be alone, does not like to mix with people, and is frequently very sad. Such a person also becomes extremely sensitive about anything that is said to him or her. In extreme cases, the imbalance of the left channel can take us to depression, and unfortunately, on a daily basis, we come across news where people commit suicides due to depression. This is nothing but an imbalance, an extreme imbalance of the left channel. Other manifestations of the imbalance of the left side can be disorders such as low blood pressure, which is hypotension, or decreased production of certain hormones, hypothyroidism, hypoglycemia. All such disorders and conditions are manifested because of the imbalance of the left channel. Because we indulge too much into our past, we give too much importance to our desires and to our emotions. So, now how can we bring our left channel into a state of balance? We started the meditation session by balancing ourselves. So, one of the simplest ways of bringing balance to our left channel is by putting our right hand towards the Mother Earth. The major element, the predominant element of our left channel is the earth element. So, by doing this and by praying to Sri Mataji, we can cleanse our left channel of all the negativities that it has accrued over the years. And once it is done on a daily basis, we realize and we start experiencing the cleansing of the left channel because we start experiencing the cool breeze on the left palm. Another way of cleansing the left channel is by putting our feet in warm water which has a bowl of salt in it. So we take a big tub which has warm water with some salt and we put our feet, we soak our feet in that water, and while doing so, we meditate with our eyes open in front of Sri Mataji. A third way of cleansing the left channel is by doing the candle treatment, which will be covered in detail in a separate session under the Learning Sahaj Yoga category. So today we have seen what is our left channel, what our left channel denotes, what it is made of, what does it get affected by, what are the various reasons for imbalances in the left channel, and what happens when the left channel goes into imbalance, and most importantly, how to bring back the balance in our left channel. Jai Shri Mataji.
Jai Shri Mataji. So, after receiving this information, let's try to understand what Shri Mataji herself has talked about Ida Nadi.
The basic of the left-sided problem comes because I think you didn't get the love of your parents also in your childhood. One of the biggest problems is that of the mother's problem, that you didn't feel that security when you were a child to begin with. It's a mother's side, left side is a mother's side. The another thing could be that when you went into the society, they tried to create diffidence in you by their own norms and ideas about life. You see, their idea of success is very different from the idea of a seeker, because for a seeker, the only success he can have is when he has found out the truth. See, that's what he's seeking. And if one child is born who is a seeker in a family who doesn't know what a seeking is, they are just seeking money or something else like that, which is very superficial and nonsensical for a seeker, the diffidence grows in him gradually in the subconscious, and he starts thinking that, are we mad, or something wrong with us, or are we something strange people, what's happening to us? So how is it that we are so much different from the rest of the people who are madly doing other things, so much involved, and we don't find the fun in that? So the left side starts accumulating that diffidence within yourself. Then you find some friends who are with you. You find people who talk the same language, sort of thing, that they are seekers, they have to seek, and they have to seek something. But the another diffidence that starts afterwards, when you become a group, or sort of this whole thing becomes known to people who are, say, in the market, we can say, who are in the market, who are just trying to mobilize their money into new channels where they can make some money, you see. So these people, when they come to know about such a group which is still uncertain, does not know how to, where to go, what to do, you see, it's a very very vulnerable society, because there's nothing established, they don't know what to do, they realize that these people are wasting their time, the other people who are doing other seeking like money and all those things, they understand that. But they cannot also understand what they should do. As I am today talking about only on the left, I would say that to feel miserable for nothing at all is also wrong, is being unjust to yourself. The people who are left-sided must know that they are the spirit, that they are that beauty which has to come, which has to express itself, that they are not the people who have to suffer all the time and to live like miserable people. They are not. But because they take so much upon themselves, bear so much upon themselves, they become like that. And to avoid that bearing up, they may take to some other habits. You see, many people take to alcohol also for reason because they can't bear the pangs of life. They can't bear. That's why they take to. But once the spirit is awakened within you, you become so strong. You become so joyous, so spontaneous that all these things drop on. All those things, so-called diseases, so-called habits, just drop on. And you become a new, blooming personality.
Deepest gratitude to Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi, who has taught Sahaja Yoga knowledge to the whole world free of cost. Everything is practical, everything you can learn and experience through our subtle system. So, onwards, we request you, whenever you are meditating, try to see if you are getting cool breeze on left palm, because that indicates our left channel is in balance or there are some obstacles. So if you face hot vibrations, warm vibrations on left palm, means we must take care of our left channel by balancing it. And you know now the techniques how to balance it. To learn more Sahaja Yoga, we again request you to visit our two websites. One is www.sahajayoga.org.in and www.onlinemeditation.org. This website has specifically 10 module course. You can spend as much as time possible for yourself and slowly try to grasp the knowledge. Try to implement this knowledge in personal life and see the change. The whole Sahaja Yoga meditation technique is for our own inner transformation, for our self-knowledge, our self-satisfaction, for own joy, peace, and for own balance. If you have any meditation related query, and if you want to talk to any of the experts through Zoom meeting, call on our toll-free number 1-800-2700-800. You can just refer that you are attending English sessions online on weekends and you want to register for Zoom meeting with the experts. Whatever you have the queries, we will talk to you, will ensure through video conferencing that you get the vibrations and your meditation queries are solved. Tomorrow, again 10:30 we'll be meeting, we'll be meditating, and this time we will get the knowledge about our right channel, that is Pingala Nadi, its issues, its problems, and how to deal with Pingala Nadi. Thank you for joining today's meditation session. All the best. Jai Shri Mataji.